Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile blurry account. To know how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile blurry game or blurry account, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about FIFA mobile. Here in this page of app info you will click on the first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about FIFA mobile. You can uninstall your application and you can install again your app to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.